Hello everyone, I am Tejaswini. Today we are going to discuss the solution for assignment 2, and the topic for assignment 2 was algebraic expression. So you can see that the two expression which is given to us is this 5jk square plus 5j square minus 2j square k, and in the other expression it is jk square plus 2j square k plus 5j square, and we have to find that which of the following is equivalent to the expression above. Means from the options we need to find that. So what I can do here is I can simplify the terms with the same variables. So this one is 5 jk square, and this term when second gets simplified it will be negative jk square, and you will solve these two, you will have 4jk square. So that is already sorted. Now you can see that in both the expression 5j square and 5j square is there. Here it is positive, and when the subtraction sign will get multiplied to the other positive expression, it will be negative. So both will get cancelled. And the last two are negative 2j square k, and this other one, the second expression will again be negative 2j square k. So when you have two terms with negative j square k, simply you will add them with a negative sign. You will get a response as 4j square k, but with a negative sign. So the correct options when you will choose the two terms together, it is option B, which is correct. So you can find that it was very easy. Now let us see what is the next question. The next question here, it is given that to you, which of the following represents the statement the sum of the square of x and y is equal to the square root of difference of x and y. So here for 1 second, I can see that the square root is not provided on the options, so it should be over there. Okay, so you need to consider it for once. And which of the following represents the statement the sum of the square of x and y. So sum of the square of x and y separately. So square of x is here and square of y is here, and here only in this case the sum is there. So already the option A is correct, and it is equal to the square root of the difference of x and y. So in both the cases the option A is the appropriate only. So now let us move to the third one. Yeah, so for the third option, means for the third question, it is provided to us that consider the value of 2x is equals to -1, and you have to find the value of this expression which is given. So if I substitute in the given expression the value of 2x is directly as 1, no, if I do so, I will put -1 at the place of 2x and -3 and their square. So it will be -4 and it's a square. So when you will multiply -4 to -4, you will get a positive 16. So the option A is correct again. So yeah, you can note down this method. You can cross check whether how you have deal with the questions. You can check your method. Now again, this question is a quite interesting one. We can see that the fourth question, what it is given in this question here to us, it is given that which of the following is equivalent to the expression 7x minus 4 up over x plus 9. So in such kind of question, what we can do, you are simply can see that two are the options which the constants. So simply you need to put x equal to any random number for right now I am just taking 2 because 2 is a smaller number, I can work properly. So if I'm doing it this, for example, for this expression, when I substitute x with 2, what I'm getting here, that I have to see, I am getting 7 2 times 14 minus 4, which is 10, and 2 plus 9 11. So I'm getting 10 over 11. Now I have to see which option is giving me 10 over 11. That one is the appropriate one. So if I start with the two simpler one, the C and D, the C option will give us 9, 7 times 63 minus 4 by 9, which is not at all equal to 10 by 11, as the denominator is 11 already. So C is not the right option. You can check with the D as well. It is 3 by 9, which is 1 by 3. Again, it is not 10 by 11. So now you will work with option B. So now again, here you can see that X is present. So if you will replace the value of X with 2, what you will get, 2 plus 9 is 11. So now completely you can work further. So when you will take the LCM, you will make the terms, the denominator similar. It will be 77 because you will multiply with 11. 77 minus 67 over whole denominator, which is 11. So here you are going to get 10 by 11, which is similar to this expression. So this completely fits the solution and it is similar to the given expression. Again, in case if two options are correct, more than one option is correct, you can check for A as well. So when you will check it, it is 2 plus 9, again it is 11. But when you will multiply this 11 to 7, it is 77, and minus 4 upon 9 or over 9, which is 73 by 11, which is not equal to the given expression. So here only the option B is correct. I hope it is very clear to you how I have worked with such kind of question, where I have not solved each and everything and just write down and put them equal, because otherwise if I put option C and D equal, how I will solve the value? I need to equate it and check then. So it will be a difficult task. So simply you can check in that way. Now let us move to the next question. The next question is, the product of x and y is 36. Two numbers x and y are there and their product is 36. If both x and y are integers, then what is the least possible value of x and y? You have to give your focus on two things, that x and y are integers, and x and y, when you do the product, you are going to get 36. It means x and y both can divide 36 in some way, and x and both are y both are integers, so both are factors of 36. Okay, then you have to find the least possible value of x minus y, difference of x and y. To minimize this value, what you have to find, the largest possible difference you have to find between x and y. So if you consider x as, suppose, the smallest value, which is 1, and when you subtract y, the greatest value, which is 36, you will get minus 35. Correct, because 36 and 1 both are factor of this number 36, and when you will find their largest difference, this value will get minimized. So minus 35 is the smallest value, and the appropriate option is option C. Now let's see what is the next question. Question number 6. Simply you have to simplify the given expression and can check with the following options. So you have 5x multiplied by 2x multiplied by 3 minus 5x square. So when you will do the calculation further, you will have 5x, and then 2x will get multiplied with 3, which is 6x, and negative 5x to the power 2. So when you will further simplify it, you will get 30. 5 6 times is 30, and x to x is x to the power 2 minus 5x to the power 2. When you will further solve it, you will get 25x to the power 2. Which option is correct? Option B is correct. Okay, so I hope I am clear to you. Now let us see. Just give me 1 second. Let us see which option is correct further. Option number sorry, which question is correct, which question we need to check. Question number 7. Yeah, so for question number 7, you can see that what is the value of x minus 1 we have to find out. So when I will first of all break this given expression in the numerator, when I find the two binomial product of the given expression, it is x to the power 2 minus x plus 1, which will further give me x. When I take it out, it is x minus 1 minus 1. When I taken out, it is x minus 1 again. So two product which I am getting is repeated x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 upon, when I take 2 common, it is 1 minus x is equals to minus 3. I hope I'm clear. If I want to change this denominator expression, which is 1 minus x, if I want to change it to similar to the numerator, I should multiply both the sides with negative 1. So when I do so, I am keeping this above things similar. I'm not changing it, but the expression which is in the denominator, it will get changed to x minus 1 instead of 1 minus x, and the negative 3 will become a positive 3. And when I cancel then x minus 1 to x minus 1, I will simply be remaining with x minus 1 by 2, which is 3. And when I transpose 2 to the other side, it is x minus 1 is equals to 6, and which is the desired value which we were supposed to solve for the question number 7. So I hope it is clear to you. You can put the video on pause and can write the solution. It was very easy, not at all a difficult question. Yeah, now let us see for the question number 8. If x to the power 2 plus 4x plus 5 is equals to y, and z is equals to x plus 2, which of the following express y in terms of z? Okay, so what I can do, I first simply can remove from here. If I subtract both the sides with -1, means if I'm subtracting 1 from both the sides, what will happen? This side I will be having only x square plus 4x plus 4 is equals to y -1. So I have why I have did because I can see that it is the clearly the formula of or the identity of x plus 2 to the power 2, which is equals to -1. And from the given question you can see that x plus 2 is getting converted to z. So this will be z to the power 2 is equals to y -1. And again, if I transpose this -1 to the other side, the value of y will be z square plus 1. So which option you can see is appropriate? It is the option number A. Option A is correct. You can check your answer and can write the solution. Do cross check it and you'll get the idea how to solve it. Yeah, now let us move to the next question, which is question number 9. And 9 is simply a question, simply an algebraic expression, which we need to convert from the statement, a verbal statement to the mathematical statement. So simply you can check which of the following expression represent the product of 3k and the sum of m and 1/3 of n. So product of 3k, 3k is here, 3k is here only, and sum of m and 1/3 of n. So 1/3 of n I can write n by 3 only, and their product. So 3k and m plus n by 3 and their product. This expression is represented correctly by option C. 3k is here and then their product with m plus 1/3 of n. So option C is correct. You can check it simply. It was just a conversion. And the last question is you have to check which of the given expression is equal to the uh, given statement. So when I simplify the given statement, it is 2 to the 2 by 3 a square. Then I will multiply it with a, and then again I will multiply it 2 by 3 multiply by 3, and then again next I will solve it. So 1 by 3 a to the power 2 plus 1 by 3 2a means you are multiplying it simply, and 1 by 3 multiply by 6. So on simplifying you are getting 2 by 3 a to the power 2 minus 2 by 3a and plus 2 by 3a. Simply they will cancel out, and then when you will cancel 3 to 3 and 3 to 6, no, you will get 2, -2 and +2. Again these two value will get cancelled, and you will have 2 by 3 a to the power 2 plus 1 by 3 a to the power 2. So 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 value will add it, no, you will get 3 by 3 and a to the power 2. So 3 by 3 will get removed. You will have a to the power 2, and which is given in the option number A. I hope it is clear to you all. These two expression was which I have cancelled here. It is 2 by 3 multiply by 3. So 3 to 3 will get removed. It is -2 which is remaining. And the next option was plus 1 by 3 into 6. So again on cancelling I am getting 2 but +2. So +2 and -2 was removed. I have specified it again here. If you have any confusion, you can cross check your answer. So I hope it is clear to you all. All the questions were very easy because the topic is also very easy, algebraic expression. I will try to give you more question on this topic. It is very interesting and will help you somewhere in solving the hardest questions also. If you need any help in any specific area of algebraic expression, you can reach out to us. You can write your query in your group and can ask for any more questions if you need to solve to practice. So we will meet in the next video of solution. Till then, take care. Bye bye.